Come on, Daddy. We're approaching the bridge.
Water.
Fish trap right there.
Where?
That's a trap they got in the water. You see it?
Yep. What are you? I'm gone.
Something jumped.
Come on, y'all.
Something gonna jump down.
That's not funny.
I said something gonna jump
Why
down.
would you say that? Yeah, stand under it. That's awesome.
Hey, you see how it's growing though? Look at this one right here, under that big
I know.
head.
Yeah, we can see it. Okay, let's see.
Oh man, stop dip.
Hey, during the summertime, this is full. It's really spooky.
I'm scared.
You'll never know. But it's you guys can see how it looks when
Oh, you're taking a quiz. Oh my God, it's getting scary out here.
Help us, please. This is the coyote.
today,
This is the
we're on
coyote
the
section. Help
Nature walk, a
us.
family nature walk. And we're in these woods. And I'm nervous. Mama's nervous. I am. Maya, how you feel, Maya?
I feel bad
Why you feel bad for?
because this is the coyote spot.
The coyote spot, I know. I'm like, you never know. A coyote could be back there in those woods. I don't want. Oh, okay. Oh,
Mama,
Yes.
look at the cave.
Let me get that cave. I guess I see it.
Aria, you know some animals go in there. Come out. What's that?
Yeah, that would make sense, right? Okay, come on. Let's not stand
Something
here.
living in there.
Look at Daddy back there. He just wanna. He's really fascinated. Like he's enjoying this like a whole lot.
In there.
I'm like, yay, but
Hey, you guys ain't seen the squirrel
asking
yet.
God to watch over us.
I want to see an animal.
Baby, you are really enjoying this.
I want to see
Nature
an
walk,
animal.
right?
I want to see an animal
That's
now.
not funny. I don't find that funny. That's okay.
Daddy, I feel
You've
bad.
always playing
'cause
around.
This is the
I wanna see an
coyote
animal.
spot. I want to see an animal.
Stop
Real live
listening to
animal.
your brother. He don't even know.
Alyssa, Ariel, I don't think this is funny. I don't think it's funny. Let's go. I don't think it's safe. I like to stay safe. It is a spooky movie.
I know.
Oh my God.
But that don't look scary at all.
Sure does to me.
Mama, just a chicken.
Not a chicken. I am a fighter. Don't get that twisted.
Mama, we got it.
I like to just think smart nowadays.
I want to see what
You know, think safe. We gotta keep our family safe.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now, Daddy, what if I do it?
It's beautiful. It is.
Hey, what you guys think those are right there?
Maya, why you? Maya, right here on my arm. Look at scary butt. Talk about
Can I have a weapon? I want to have a club. Makes it
Maya,
more real.
why you not over there exploring the woods or the forest/woods? Scared of what?
Coyote spot.
Look at Daddy. What is he back there doing?
Daddy.
Wow, look at Alyssa and AJ all the way back trying to explore. Ori! Look at Ori. He just gonna just. No, boy. Hey! You two need to be careful, seriously. I'm not playing.
It's a monster coming. AJ and Alyssa, it's a coyote coming.
That's not funny, Maya. Look at that. Why would you send our baby? Where you? You're so silly. That's not funny. Go ahead and send my baby out. Look cute, look cute, get cute, get cute. Cute like I'm at. Oh, one go, we all go. We roll together. Oh, it's enough. Enough of the wildlife. No more money. Y'all stop playing so much. They play too much.
Look at Oreo time.
Oreo tag. Look tag, boy. Look, get him, Mo. Get him, Mo. Get him, boy. Get him, boy. Y'all just play too much. Stop playing so much. Careful, Alyssa.
It's not funny.
No, it's not.
Oreo, go get lost. Go. Go get lost.
Alyssa, please be careful.
No, follow that.
I am following him. Watch your step, Maya.
Go ahead, AJ.
I'm going with him.
Maya, please be careful. Whoa.
Stop, boy.
This is so scary. Look at Cute on the log. Hey. Everybody's on the log here.
AJ like this type of stuff. He daring too.
Can I go with him?
Oh my God, baby.
And look, he know how to move through it like he an army man too. Look how he moved through it. You
I
should
think
be
that's what-
recording him, man. You tweet.
I am recording him.
No, you wait. He way over there.
I had to get us on the log too. I wanted that.
That's the closest he gonna be. I told him to get as close as he can see what's in there.
Can I go with him?
You want by yourself?
Okay. But y'all gonna stay right here, right?
So serious.
Huh, Daddy?
Baby. Good job, baby. I know, right? I would never got that close. You did good. I wouldn't get that close.
Somebody gotta tell you my spot on guard. Yeah, man, I have to be on guard for 24 hours.
I know that's right. Guard your family first.
It's that dead on the road. Or is that dirt? Let's go.
I'm ready to get off of this thing. Well, you play so much.
We're on a hike.
Not so much a hike, man, because we didn't go up.
Everybody check their feet.
Check their feet. Check the bottom of your shoes. Cute, check your paws, girl.
No,
Check your paws,
ain't
girl.
nothing.
Cute, check your paws. Check your
Mama,
paws,
you check
girl.
on your feet.
Okay.
Nah, I'm gonna go check.
Y'all play so much. I don't think you see it,
I don't
Alyssa.
think you see. No.
Time.
I want to go.
What?
No, I want to go eat my kite creek and get on my phone. I want to eat my birthday cake.
You don't even have
Now
it.
you got a phone. What the heck is going on?
I cannot.
Y'all killing me.
Mama
I
let
can't.
her have her own phone. At least it's not Maya got a tablet. What if he got no job? He got the fun coloring app. Nope, I
So what happened in the book today?
I deleted
What happened in
that.
that book that
Okay, so
so-called fake
CT,
read?
no, wait. That was first chapter or CT and me.
Cute, you looking good, girl. You looking good, girl.
Running from that cousin.
Looking good, girl.
Coyote.
Y'all think that's funny?
Y'all keep playing with me. I said.
Look, Daddy.
When I see it, I'm taking off. I'm leaving all y'all.
I don't think-
That wouldn't be right.
Why not?
Oh,
Because we're a family. Family
You right. I gotta go
we are
run for help.
family.
bring the help back.
I gotta run for help.
And bring the help back.
Yo! Nasty soap.
Don't do that to him.
Now you
I gotta go run for help.
Don't he have
But
to
you
go
have to
run
help us too. So how you gonna do two things? We walking in the forest park.
So what you think I should do first?
Help us.
that ain't gonna work, cause then what if all of us go? Who's gonna tell the story?
I'm telling the story.
God ain't gonna be able to
I'm
tell
telling the
everybody.
story. I don't know what y'all talking about.
And Daddy, the coyote's
Me and Maya stand back. We gonna be the chosen ones to tell the story.
Daddy,
Yeah, nasty.
we gonna lock up in the house.
Can we get?
I'm like Debo.
I'll put my hands in your pocket.
Well, that'll be. Alyssa, that's not funny.
What is that?
Yes, I did. I had so much fun. But you can't see me. Ooh,
I cannot.
What is that?
stop,
The
stop.
nature walk been very interesting.
Stop. Wait.
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying?
Oreo.
Dog's been having a ball. Kids been having a ball. We've been having a ball.
Yes, it was very fun.
But if y'all like, please subscribe and comment at the bottom below.
Oh, yeah. It's like a
We out here.